Hi everyone. In this tutorial, we will walk you through how to get a Shopify collaboration code and connect it to a Shopify partner's account. This is useful when working with a developer, designer, or marketer who needs access to your store without sharing your login details. Let's get started. From your Shopify dashboard, go to Settings. You can find Settings in the lower left corner, as shown here. Once you are there, click on Users. Then go to Security. Here you will see the Collaborators section, where the codes are located. We can generate a new code at any time. Just click Generate Code, and a new code will appear. If we need another one, simply click Generate New Code again. And that's how we generate and share a Shopify collaboration code with a Shopify partner's account.